Madhavi Lata is the BJP leader who took on Owaisi in Hyderabad. Madhavi Lata ji, why has he said Jai Palestine? He says, I also said Jai Bhim, Jai Meem, Jai Telangana, and then I said Jai Philistine. Why has he said this? What is his intention?
I would only want to say that after a kind of fearful elections that we had in our constituency, the entire country witnessed how terribly he had to opt for various wrongs, means and methods to really win his seat. I would say he's craving for some kind of attention and kind of a publicity from the entire country because I already lost. Look at it kind of Jai Palestine, the moment he said the whole country is showing its attention towards him. This is exactly what he wants. He's in search of it. I would rather say that just don't give importance to him. There is nothing left for him in his constituency also. Look at him. He's openly stating and commenting what kind of a personality he is. He wants to provoke the young Hindu boys, men and women in this country because he wants new attention. I think we should not fall into this trap.
So you're saying we should not get provoked, we should ignore it.
He wants to take even
You're saying we should ignore it. No, I don't agree with you, Madhavi Lata ji. You're saying don't get provoked, but here I am, I'm very provoked. I'm provoked that...
Why are you supposed to get provoked if he says Jai Palestine, Arnab?
You are asking me, then I'll answer.
No, I'm asking you. I'm asking even the madam out there.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please explain me, enlighten me rather? Why should he?
Okay, Lokesh.
If at all he's taken
Let Madhavi Lata take that. Ratan Sharda, we are going to debate it. Madhavi Lata, the question goes to you. Lokesh Jindal of the Congress party says, what is wrong? Let tomorrow, even if he says Jai Pakistan, we should stand up and clap. Tomorrow, Congress party MP may say Jai Pakistan, clap, clap. Why not? No. Jai Pakistan also clap. What's wrong if you say Jai Pakistan, clap.
I'm asking if Pakistan and
tomorrow you will say Jai Zakir Naik, clap. Jai Zakir Naik, clap.
Pakistan was terrorist state.
I'm asking you, why are you equating Palestine with Pakistan? And why should Hindus be
If you're asking a question, then listen to the answer. I will give an answer because you took my name first, then Madhavi Lata will respond to you. The simple thing is, I don't know how people like you, you're a fully grown man, or at least you look like one, you don't have common sense. Both are foreign countries. Both are foreign countries. Is it too difficult for you to understand?
Arnab, Pakistan has been an enemy state to India, but not Palestine.
No, both are foreign countries or not? No. Both are foreign.
How are you drawing such a parallel? Have we ever fought a war with Palestine?
Okay.
Have we ever had bilateral relations strained with Palestine?
What?
Has there been any major confrontation between India and Palestine?
What a stupid logic. What a stupid logic. Stupid argument there.
No, your argument is stupid. Please tell me on what basis are you comparing Palestine with Pakistan?
I'm telling you, but problem is you don't have any common sense, so you're not being able to understand. Both are foreign countries.
Please explain.
Both are. Listen to me. My simple point to you is, Madhavi Lata will respond to you. I don't know. I'll have to explain to you like I have to explain to maybe Rahul Gandhi. Okay. So listen here, Lokesh Jindal. Okay. Don't laugh, Ratan Sharda, don't laugh nowadays. Anyway, you've got that controversial article about an organizer, otherwise I'll go after you also. My question, one minute, Lokesh Jindal, listen to me. Don't get touchy about your leader, yaar. My question is, if you do anything which shows that you are having allegiance or adherence to a foreign state, you can be disqualified. Saying Jai
Article
Palestine.
105.
Tomorrow you'll say Jai Jinping, Jai people's...
Can give immunities.
Jai North Korea, Jai China. Crazy, you guys. Madhavi Lata, he's saying why? Hashtag tonight disqualify Owaisi. How many of you people are with me, ladies and gentlemen? And how many are with Owaisi and Rahul Gandhi on this? You tell me. Are you with me or are you with this Owaisi Rahul Gandhi club? Madhavi Lata, respond to his question. He says, what's wrong? What's wrong?
I am not either with Asaduddin or nor with Rahul Gandhi.
But he's saying, what's wrong?
What is very important here that all of us have to understand that,
Okay, 1 minute. MIM is also coming into
that
debate.
he
Yeah.
needs to be prosecuted by law.
Oh.
Absolutely.
Arnab, the lady
Ma'am,
you are
under
giving
Article
important just now
105
rejected
of
by
the
the people of Hyderabad.
Constitution, there is a
1 minute. Who's responding right now? The producer is deciding. That's my problem. Can I just have the person speaking on air? Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, Adil, go on. You're on air now.
Arnab, you are giving the importance to a lady who lost by more than 3.5 lakh votes. Why are you giving the space to her? She got the Hyderabad people have given a befitting reply. All drama show collapsed. All her drama is over. Hyderabad knows her reality. Why you are giving importance to her? Everybody knows what she do. Just ask her in her hospital how much the poor people she get admitted and how much discount the poor people
Why
get in
are
her
you fighting her
hospital.
personally, yaar? We are here to debate an issue.
Everybody
you
knows
people have
about
a
her.
problem with Madhavi Lata. You must be very insecure, yeah?
I am.
You must be very insecure of Madhavi Lata.
No.
If
we are
after
very
losing,
happy.
after she has
You
lost,
ask
you're
Mr.
still
Modi to
insecure
come
of
and contest in
her. Are
Hyderabad.
discuss the issue. She provokes you,
You
no
ask
end.
Mr. Modi. You ask Mr. Modi to come and contest from Hyderabad if he have guts. You ask Mr. Modi to come because Barrister Sahib margin was more than Mr. Modi.
Anyway,
this
now-
shows the faith of
now,
Hyderabad. to
are
Barrister
you taking
Asaduddin Owaisi.
citizenship of Palestine or what? Are you also taking citizenship of Palestine? I will also get Tuhin on the debate. We have Tuhin and Madhavi Lata on the
Bombay
left.
to Delhi. You shifted from Arthur jail to Delhi jail. We never shift our homeland. India.
Oh, Guruji.
India is my motherland.
Oh,
I don't need sermon from you, Mr. Arnab.
Oh, Guruji, I'll tell you one
You
thing. I
shifted
didn't go to
from
I
Bombay
didn't
to
go to I
Delhi.
didn't
I
go
don't
to
know what
Arthur
is the
Road
reason.
jail. Arey, you cowards put me in Taloja jail. I broke the walls of the prison to come out and teach you a lesson.
Taloja jail. Taloja.
Yeah. And I came out. I broke the walls of.
Taloja,
I broke the walls of the jail. I embarrassed the hell out of you.
Why you left the city?
You people started
Why you left the
celebrating.
city?
You people started
have
saying.
courage to
1 minute. Now listen to me. I'm going to hit you back. To
Why
khade
you
raho
left
na.
the city, Arnab?
Arey bhai, when you've come into the ring with Muhammad
you left
Ali,
the city, Arnab?
when you have come into the boxing ring with Muhammad Ali, I will give you a few nice punches. No, आपको ऐसे तो जाने नहीं दूंगा.
अरे भाई, हिम्मत था
अभी
तो
let me
रहते
give you one or
बॉम्बे
two
में ना.
punches. Let me give you one or two punches. You
अरे
people,
हिम्मत था तो रहते बॉम्बे में.
अरे छोड़ो
क्यों
ना
डर के
हिम्मत की
भागे?
बात. मैं बताता हूँ मैं क्या गया. अभी देखिए पर्सनल कर दिया आपने.
अरे
अब
हिम्मत
मैं
था तो रहते बॉम्बे में,
I'm going to
तब
hit
मैं
you back
समझता.
nicely. You see, when I spoke for the Palghar sadhus, I can turn
I
around
am
and
ready
say,
to hit you back too.
why did you not
Don't worry.
speak? Why did you
हमारी
not speak
जुबान
for the
पे मुकाबला
Palghar
नहीं कर
sadhus?
सकते अर्नब भाई.
आपने जब साधुओं को मारा गया, आपने मुंह ने क्यों
हाँ,
खोला?
we speak for all
आपने
the
क्यों
issue.
नहीं खोला कुछ? आपने साधुओं को मारे
आज
जाने पर
अन्ना
कुछ
साहब
क्यों
ने-
नहीं कहा
अन्ना
आपने?
साहब, आज
पालघर में साधुओं के साथ
गांधी-
जिस तरह की नरसंहार हुई,
महात्मा
उस पर
गांधी
आपने
खुश
क्यों
हो।
नहीं कहा?
महात्मा
आप चुप
गांधी
क्यों
और
थे
उनके
उस
मानने वाले
वक्त?
खुश
अरे
हैं।
सनातन धर्म के साथ
आज देश का
सनातन
सिर
धर्म
ऊंचा
के
हुआ
साथ जब ये सब
आज
होता है,
देश का
आप
सिर
चुप क्यों
ऊंचा
रहते हैं?
हुआ है।
आप
आज
चुप क्यों रहते हैं? आप जय फिलिस्तीन बोलने वाले लोग, आप जय फिलिस्तीन बोलने वाले लोग सनातन धर्म के खिलाफ क्यों है?
देश का सिर ऊंचा हुआ है।
सनातन धर्म के
देश का
खिलाफ
सिर
क्यों
ऊंचा
है?
हुआ है।
बताइए मुझे, पूछता है भारत. और अभी जाके जय फिलिस्तीन बोल के भाग गए. अरे भाग क्यों रहे हो? मैं कह रहा हूं अपने नेतागण को बोलिए, टेलियो नेता, अरे नेताओं को कहे, आज भारत की जनता को मैं पूछ रहा हूं, आई एम आस्किंग द पीपल ऑफ दिस कंट्री लाउड एंड क्लियर, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आई एम आस्किंग यू दिस क्वेश्चन, आर यू विथ मी और आर यू विथ ओवैसी एंड राहुल? मैं पूछ रहा हूं आज आप मेरे साथ हैं, आप अर्नब गोस्वामी और रिपब्लिक के साथ है. राजनीतिक दल छोड़ दीजिए. I am asking you, are you with Republic and Arnab Goswami or are you with Owaisi and Rahul? I am asking that question tonight, for I consider it to be an insult to the Parliament of India that an Indian member of Parliament says Jai Palestine. नहीं छोड़ेंगे हम इसको. अरे जैसे हमने पालघर के मुद्दे को नहीं छोड़ा, वैसे हम इस इशू को भी नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
आप सब
नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
कायर है.
नहीं छोड़े. कायर तो आप है. कायर तो आप है. अरे आपके नेता हैं, आपके नेता डरते हैं मेरे साथ 1-to-1 बात करने के लिए. आप पूछिए, आप ओवैसी जी को पूछिए, वो अर्नब गोस्वामी से डरते हैं क्या? 1-to-1 मेरे साथ बात क्यों नहीं करते? हमेशा कहते हैं मैं रिपब्लिक के किसी एंकर से बात कर लूंगा, अर्नब के सामने मत बिठाओ।
मुसलमान लड़ाने के जनक है।